wanted to be a journalist. It never occurred to me that at
You would
any
come
time
into
in my
film.
life I will end up doing this. And it all started when I went to India for my brother's wedding. And I couldn't get clothes for myself. I had to wait. The people said there's no tailors, there's nothing ready-made, you have
You
to
wanted
buy
to,
and then go and tailor. And then, but I said the wedding will get over.
mm,
So we wore whatever we could get at that. 40,
Ready-made.
42, 50 years back, there was no ready-made. You had to buy the fabric.
when was this? 1980s?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, around the 80 only.
At that time, mostly it was buying the cloth and
Yes,
stitching
yes, yeah. Locals would just buy from here any
Yeah, yeah,
polyester
yeah.
fabric.
I also
Saris were
remember.
polyester.
My mom
If
used to
you
get
wore-
the
yeah.
cloths and send it
And
to.
if you wore silk, you were like
Oh,
elite.
wow.
Yeah. So it was like that, and I thought it was very strange that there was nothing ready for anybody to wear. So I came back home, and one day I had some tailors in my husband's export of office who were free. So I said, okay, he said, keep them busy, make frocks for the
Okay.
children. I said, no, I have another idea. I went to Powrat,
Okay.
got that time cotton was just 9 baht a meter.
Okay.
So I estimated it. I said, 5 meters you use, it's not even 50 baht, 100 baht. That time
Okay.
it was only that
Yeah,
much,
yeah,
no?
that
And
was-
tailoring was 50, 60, 70 baht,
Correct.
not
One
more
shirt
than
was
that.
stitching was 50
So I
baht.
said, let me try. So I took what I was wearing from India and I made them make it. And it was a disaster totally. The salwars were bilkul, like very bad.
So for a Thai
Anyways,
tailor to do an Indian
Yes,
dress.
yeah, so they had you didn't know about it at all at that point. But, and now I made 7, 8 pieces. Now what to do with them?
Okay.
I didn't know how to,
The ones that they made, which you said was.
yeah, it wasn't right. But I mean, I didn't know what to do with them anyways. So one day I just thought, I said, okay, I'll give them away. I called my aunt, I said, Chachi, you take this piece.
Okay.
Just take it, you wear it, whatever you want. And then I had 2, 3 other friends, I had given it to them.
You wanted them to try it.
No, I just wanted to get rid
Get
of it.
rid
I
of it.
thought I failed.
Yeah, okay, okay.
I thought it's done, there's no point of doing all this. So my aunt wore that. She said, Main pawangi. She wore it and she went.
She loved it.
She loved it. Free, no, it was for her at that point. She didn't want to spend those days. People didn't want to spend so much. So she wore it and everybody asked her about it. So she said, Meri sehli waste you'll make? So I said, why not? Come, I'll try it again. You know, like I was excited with that one thing. And that's how it started.
That was the response from your aunt.